So I have this frame rail sitting in place.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Subaru Outback up here on the frame rack, and it also moved the frame rails over. I'm just gonna hack it off right here just to get this out of my way. So I have this frame rail sitting in place. It should be sitting very close to where it's supposed to be. I went ahead and bolted the reinforcement bar on. In the morning, I will go ahead and I'll get our measuring system back out and I'll make some measurements on this frame rail. Make sure I have it sitting exactly where it's supposed to be, and then I will get it welded in, and then I will start on the rest of this apron structure here. So this one is measuring out perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this rail all welded in, and then I will get into this other structure out here. So I just about have all the structure fit together on this one. I'm gonna make some comparison measurements. Right now I'm checking the length. Move it over here. And that's dead on. Now I'm gonna do an X. And this is gonna make sure that it's square. Now I am also going to go ahead and sit this fender on to make sure it lines up down here properly. This one's fitting together very nice. My fender lines up good, meets up with the holes here perfectly. The hood has a nice even gap. So I'm going to lift this fender back off and go ahead and get all of this welded in. So I have some 3M cavity wax here, and I'm gonna hose this. This sprays in a 360-degree pattern. And I'm gonna hose this and it'll seep in all the channels where there's any bare metal on the inside of the frame rail.